Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz, the GCSE Maths Mentor. And today we are going to start the third video on straight line graphs. Let's begin by reminding ourselves of the most important idea from last time. If you can write a graph in the form y equals to mx plus c, where m is a number and c is another number, do you remember what these two represent? M tells you the gradient, how steep the line is. M tells you the gradient and c is the y-intercept where the line crosses the y-axis. So if x equals to 0 then y must be c. If x is 0 then y equals to c. Let's go through the first equation together. We are given y equals to x and we know this is the same way as saying y equals to 1x plus 0. Y equals to 1x plus 0. So if I compare it with y equals to mx plus c, m is 1 and c is 0. That means the line goes through the origin, the point 0, comma 0 there at the center 0, comma 0. And since the gradient is 1, every time we go across 1 to the right, we go up 1. So across 1 and up 1, across 1, 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 up 1. And here on the left side, we say across 1 and down 1 in this way. As we know that y and x both are equal, so minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5 in this way. And then we can easily plot a line. We are plotting a line without the help of table of values this way. So this line is y equals to x. Let's try the next one. Y equals to x plus 12 is already in the correct form. So this line will go through 0, comma 12. Y equals to mx plus c, which means m is 1 and c is 12. So this line will go through the point 0, comma 12 there at this particular point, and again rise 1 for every one to the right. So across 1 and up 1. So we have to write in this way: across 1, up 1 here, across 1, up 1, across 1, up 1, across 1, up 1, and here we have to do across 1 and 1 down in this way. Now we can join the points together to make a line of y equals to x plus 12. Right, this line is y equals to x plus 12. And this one is y equals to x. Now the third one, x minus 12, this one has gradient 1 again, but now it crosses the y-axis at negative 12. Y equals to mx plus c. M is 1 there and c is minus 12. So therefore, it is start at 0, comma negative 12, as the y-intercept is negative 12 there. So we have to look for 0, comma negative 12, 0, comma negative 12 is there, 0, comma negative 12, and again the gradient is 1. So go across 1, up 1, just like before. Across 1, up 1, across 1, up 1, across 1, up 1, and here across 1, down 1. This way, then we can easily plot a line. So this line has equation y equals to x minus 12. Alright, let's move to the next one. Draw the graphs of y equals to 4x, y equals to 4x plus 6, and y equals to 4x minus 5. Now we have got some steeper lines. The first equation is y equal 4x. That's in the form y equal mx plus c. So m is 4 there and c is 0. For the second one, y equals to mx plus c, m is 4 and c is 6. And the last one, y equals to mx plus c, m is 4 and c is negative 5. If we plot the first one, y equals to 4x, we are starting at the origin point again 0, comma 0, because the y-intercept is 0 in the first one. So for every one step to the right, we go up 4. From 0, comma 0, from the center, 0 comma 0. For every step 1 to the right, we go 4 up. So 1 right, across 1, up 4, cross 1, up 4, 1 2 3 4, in this way. That would be our first coordinate. Then across 1, up 4, 1 2 3 4, has to be there. Across 1, up 4, 1 2 3 4, and you see across 1 and 4 down, 1 2 3 4, 4 down, like this. Cross 1 4 down, 1 2 3 4, like this. Across 1 4 down, 1 2 3 4, like this. Now we can join those coordinates. So with the help of a ruler we can join them easily. Let's join them with a blue line, like this. So this one is y equals to 4x. So see, we are making the line without the help of table of values. Alright, the next one, y equals to 4x plus 6. Same steepness, is still a gradient of 4, but now it starts at 0 comma 6. So 0 comma 6 is there. Is still a gradient of 4. So across 1 up 4 from 0 comma 6. Across 1 up 4, 1 2 3 4, it has to be there. Across 1 up 4, 1 2 3 4. Across 1 up 4, 1 2 3 4. And from 0 comma 6, across 1 and 4 down, 1 2 3 4. Across 1 and 4 down, 1 2 3 4, like this. Across 1 and 4 down, 1 2 3 4. Across 1 and 4 down, 1 2 3 4. With the help of a ruler we can join them like this. So this line's equation is y equals to 4x plus 6, the green one. Y equals to 4x plus 6. And the last one is y equals to 4x minus 5. Gradient is still 4 there, but now the line starts at 0 comma negative 5. So we have to look for 0 comma negative 5. 0 comma negative 5 has to be there. Same steepness, just lower down. So we say that across 1 up 4, across 1 up 4, across 1 up 4, 1 2 3 4, like this. Across 1 up 4, across 1 up 4, 1 2 3 4. 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 Here across 1 down for 1 2 3 4. Across 1 down for 1 2 3 4. Across 1 down for 1 2 3 4. Alright, let's join them together. So you're seeing that we are not using the table of values, we are just using the gradient to make the lines. So that purple line is y equals to 4x minus 5. Alright, let's move to the next one. So we can see there all of these have a negative gradient. Let's change the direction now, which means the lines will slope downwards. So the first one is y equals to negative x is the same as y equals to minus 1x plus 0. If you compare it with y equals to mx plus c, y equals to minus 1x plus 0. Alright, in these questions, let's change direction now quite literally. All of these have a negative gradient, which means the lines will slope downwards. First, y equals to negative x is the same as y equals to negative 1x plus 0. If you compare it with y equals to mx plus c, m is negative 1 and c is equals to 0. So the y-intercept is 0 there. Start at the origin. So the center point is there, 0 comma 0. That's the y-intercept for the first one. And now go across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, like this. Across 1 down 1, 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 this way. Alright, with the help of a ruler we can join them easily. This gives us a line sloping gently down. Second is y equals to negative x negative 7 means m equals negative 1, c equal negative 7. Y equals to mx plus c. M is negative 1, c is negative 7. So we begin at 0 comma negative 7. 0 comma negative 7 is there, and go across 1 down 1. So across 1 down 1 is there, across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1. This way. Now you can easily plot the line with the help of these coordinates. So with the help of a ruler, we can easily plot the line here. So this line is y equals to negative x negative 7. Alright, in the third one you have to rearrange the equation. First it must be y equals to negative x plus 7, and then comparing it with y equals to mx plus c, m becomes negative 1 and c equals to 7, which means that y-intercept is 0 comma plus 7. So we have to look for 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7 is there, and from that 0 comma 7 go across 1 down 1, same as before, across 1 down 1, here across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, across 1 down 1, this way, cross 1 down 1. Now join all the coordinates with the help of a ruler. So join all the points together now. So this line has equation y equals to 7 minus x. The red one is y equals to negative x, and the green one is y equals to 7 minus x. Alright, let's move to the next one. Last slide now, and these lines are even steeper. We are working with gradients of negative 4 and negative 3. First, y equals to negative 4x. That means gradient is negative 4 and y-intercept is 0 there. So y equals to negative 4x plus 0, which means m equals to negative 4 and c equals to 0. So if you want to plot it without the help of table of values, start at 0 comma 0, as we know that y-intercept is 0 comma 0. So start at 0 comma 0 and now go across 1 down 4. So go across 1 down 4 from 0 comma 0, across 1 down 4, 1 2 3 4, across 1 down 4, cross 1 down 4, 1 2 3 4, across 1 down 4, 1 2 3 4, across 1 down 4, 1 2 3 4. Join them together. With the help of a ruler we can easily join them like this. So this line has equation y equals to negative 4x. Y equals to negative 4x. Then the second one, y equals to negative 4x negative 3. Same gradient, but now it starts from 0 comma negative 3. 0 comma negative 3, that's here. 0 comma negative 3. Go across 1 down 4. Across 1 down 4. 1 2 3 4. It has to be there. Across 1 down 4. 1 2 3 4. Across 1 down 4. 1 2 3 4. And just join these coordinates with the help of a ruler. Just join them. So this green line has equation y equals to negative 4x negative 3. Alright. Y equals to mx plus c, which means m is negative 4 and c is negative 3 there. So this green line has equation y equals to negative 4x negative 3. Alright, let's start the third one, y equals to 5 minus 3x. First we need to rearrange it. Y equals to mx plus c in this form. So you have to rearrange in this way, y equals to negative 3x plus 5, which means m is negative 3 and c equals to 5 there. This time the gradient is -3 and the y-intercept is 5. So we start at 0 comma 5. We start at 0 comma 5 has to be there, 0 comma 5, and go across 1 down 3. So across 1 down 3, 1 2 3, this way, across 1 down 3, 1 2 3, across 1 down 3, 1 2 3, across 1 down 3, 1 2 3. Now join these coordinates with the help of a ruler. So the last line has the change gradient. Therefore, we join the points, it will form a line like this. So due to the different gradient, the line is not parallel to that purple line is not parallel to the green one and the red one, because when the lines has same gradient, they are parallel to each other. So it clearly indicates that this line has a different gradient. That's why this line, the purple line, is not parallel to the red one and the green one. So this purple line has equation y equals to 5 minus 3x. And that's it. Remember, write the equation in the form y equals to mx plus c. Identify the gradient and y-intercept. Plot the y-intercept first, then use the gradient to build your line. It's much quicker than using a table of values every time. Pause the video and have a go on your own and see if your graphs looks the same as mine. Struggling with GCSE or A-level maths, wish someone could finally explain it in a way that makes sense. I am Faraz, your personally GCSE and A-level maths mentor. With years of proven results and students' success stories, I know exactly how to get you from confusion to confidence. Whether you are stuck at a grade 5 or aiming for that top grade 9, this could be the turning point you have been waiting for. I am now offering affordable group classes just £4 to £6 an hour, only 10 students per class. So you get my full attention. Choose your level: GCSE, IGCSE just £4 per hour, AS level £5 per hour, A level £6 per hour. It's more than just tuition, it's a full mentorship system designed for results. And here's the best part: you're not just paying for lessons, you're joining a complete math success plan. 12 live group sessions, fully interactive, fully focused, free customized revision materials tailored to your syllabus, past paper drills and exam style questions, no fluff, just what matters. Practice packs by topic so you can master every area one by one, and personalized support. We will tackle exactly what you're struggling with. You won't just feel prepared, you will feel unstoppable. But don't wait, spots fill up quickly and I only take 10 students per group. If you are serious about improving your maths, let's chat now on WhatsApp. The number is showing on your screen. Send me a quick message.